Did you know that a single pineapple can provide a day's worth of vitamin C? This tropical fruit is not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. This delicious tropical fruit is not just a tasty treat. It's a powerhouse of nutrients that can significantly benefit your health. From boosting your immunity to improving digestion, pineapples are packed with essential vitamins and minerals. Pineapple has much to offer. It contains bromelain, an enzyme that helps with digestion and can reduce inflammation. Pineapples are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, including vitamin A, vitamin B6, and manganese, making them a valuable addition to any diet. Whether eaten fresh, juiced, or even grilled, pineapples can be enjoyed in various ways. Juiced or even grilled, pineapples can be a versatile ingredient in your kitchen. Pineapple can add a burst of flavor and a health boost to your meals. So next time you're at the market, don't forget to pick up this tropical treasure. Pineapple is an excellent source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that strengthens your immune system. This tropical fruit not only boosts your immunity, but also helps in the production of collagen, which is vital for the health of your skin, blood vessels, and bones. It also contains a good amount of manganese, which is essential for bone health and metabolism. Manganese plays a crucial role in the formation of connective tissue, absorption of calcium, and regulation of blood sugar levels. Moreover, pineapple is a good source of dietary fiber, which aids digestion and helps regulate bowel movements. The fiber content in pineapple can help prevent constipation and promote a healthy digestive tract, making it an excellent addition to your diet. It also contains bromelain, an enzyme known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Bromelain can help reduce swelling, bruising, and pain after injuries or surgeries. And it may also aid in the digestion of proteins, enhancing overall digestive health. Regular consumption of pineapple can lead to several health improvements. Its high vitamin C content can help fight off infections and reduce the severity of colds. The bromelain in pineapple can help reduce inflammation in the body, potentially easing symptoms of arthritis. Additionally, the fiber in pineapple can promote gut health and prevent constipation. Section 4. Pineapple, more than just a pretty fruit. One surprising benefit of pineapple is its potential to improve oral health. Some studies suggest that bromelain can help break down plaque and reduce the risk of gum disease. Furthermore, pineapple contains antioxidants that may protect against certain cancers. While more research is needed, these initial findings are promising. Section 5. Enjoy pineapple every day. Pineapple is not just a delicious tropical fruit, it's a powerhouse of nutrients and health benefits that can be enjoyed in various ways every single day. Despite its many benefits, some people may experience mild side effects from eating pineapple, such as mouth tingling due to bromelain. Bromelain is an enzyme that helps with digestion but can cause a tingling sensation in some individuals. If you have allergies, always exercise caution when trying new foods. It's important to read food labels and be aware of any potential allergens that might affect you. Overall, the benefits of pineapple far outweigh any potential downsides. Pineapple is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which can boost your immune system, improve digestion, and even enhance your skin health. I highly recommend incorporating this tropical delight into your daily diet. Whether you are a chef, a nutritionist, or just someone who loves good food, pineapple can be a versatile addition to your meals. Try adding it to your breakfast smoothie, where it can provide a refreshing and nutritious start to your day. Grilling it for a tangy dessert can bring out its natural sweetness and add a unique flavor to your meals. Or simply enjoying a refreshing slice on its own can be a delightful treat any time of the day. Your body will thank you. With its numerous health benefits, pineapple can help you feel more energetic, improve your skin, and contribute to your overall well-being.